What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the Phantom token within the Beefy Finance platform and earn up to 63% APY, formerly 83%. So Beefy Finance just launched this vault within their platform, and they gave a step-by-step guide on how to stake the Phantom token inside of their vault. So currently Phantom is moving up the ranks and is ranked number 5 in total value locked with over $9 billion in assets locked across the various DeFi platform. And some are saying Phantom can be the next Ethereum because of their low fees and fast transaction times. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to stake the Phantom token within the Beefy Finance platform and earn an amazingly high yield. So let's get started. So first off, Beefy just tweeted their new vault. So let's cover what that is. B Phantom means Beefy Escrowed Phantom. The token is pegged to the Phantom token and can be staked on Beefy and farms on major dexes. B Phantom gives stakers access to maximized validator rewards that are unavailable to investors without locking Phantom for 1 year. So essentially, Beefy has launched their own validator node as well, and they're letting retail investors join in on the staking rewards for running a validator. And so they also gave a breakdown on how B Phantom and the reward distribution work. So how does B Phantom work? First, deposit Phantom into the Beefy Delegator Vault. B Phantom is then minted 1-to-1 with the Phantom deposited. And that is here under the vault. You would hit mint token, and every Phantom you deposit, you get in return the B Phantom token, which is then staked. The collective pool of Phantom is delegated to Beefy's validator and perpetually locked as long as possible. 51 weeks to earn maximum validator rewards. But the good thing is you do not have to lock your tokens in here for a year. There is no time limit. You're free to stake and unstake at any time. Beefy supplies 1/15 of the deposit to Beefy's validator, so to never hit the delegation limit. By staking users Phantom together, the community earns a much higher rate of return. What can you do with B Phantom? You can stake B Phantom on beefy.com in the earnings pool to earn your Wrap Phantom reward share, or you can stake B Phantom on beefy.com to earn more B Phantom. That's what we're planning to do here. We're going to stake it in this vault and earn extremely high reward rates. And lastly, where can I get V Phantom? The easiest is minting on beefy.com, or you can also swap for it on other exchanges like Beethoven or SpiritSwap. And one more thing, the reason why I'm so bullish on the Beefy Finance platform is if you stake Phantom within their regular native wallet, your APR rate is only 14%. So you're better off staking your coins in another platform such as Beefy, where they're giving you up to 63% currently. Keep in mind this does fluctuate, but this is at least 5 times even more what the regular Phantom wallet is offering. So there's no reason for you not to stake with Beefy. So getting started, the first thing you would do is install MetaMask. So the website here is metamask.io, and you would hit on download now and install MetaMask for Chrome and click on this icon here, and this would add MetaMask to your browser. And the icon would be installed up here. So by default, only the Ethereum network is installed with MetaMask. So you will manually have to add the Phantom Opera network, which is easy. So you would go to the website chainlist.org, and on here you can type in Phantom. And here we have Phantom Opera, and just hit connect wallet, and this would add the Phantom network to your MetaMask wallet, and we can toggle and switch to Phantom. And as you can see, I currently do have a few Phantom coins in my wallet already. Cool, so the next step would be to actually buy some Phantom token from Binance US or KuCoin and send it over to the MetaMask wallet. So with KuCoin, you would navigate to the wallet section and simply hit withdrawal. And from here, you would choose the Phantom network. So under wallet address, make sure you paste your new MetaMask Phantom Opera wallet address here and copy the address from here and paste it here. And under network, be sure you choose the Phantom network. Do not choose the Ethereum network. Choose Phantom. and you can select the amount you would like to withdraw. Under remarks, you can write a note, not necessary, and hit confirm. And it's the same thing under Binance US. If you withdraw from Binance US, you will be asked what network to choose. Please choose the Phantom network. Do not choose Ethereum or your coins will be sent to the wrong place and your coins will be lost. Cool, so once you've deposited some Phantom into your MetaMask wallet, the next step is to visit the Beefy Finance website and go to the Phantom Vault. So the website here is beefy.finance, and as you can see, they have other chains in their roster. We're gonna click the Phantom icon, and right off the bat, it's gonna ask us to connect our MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and click on MetaMask and approve the connection. Great, and that was our next step, to connect the MetaMask wallet. So now, as we scroll lower, you can see there's over 167 vaults for the Phantom network, but we're interested in the new vault, which is the B Phantom network. And you can click in here and you get to see more details about this vault. So the next step would be to mint the B Phantom token. Again, for every one Phantom you deposit, you get an equal return of the B Phantom token. And this is described by their tweet. You would deposit some Phantom into the vault and the B Phantom will be minted at a 1-to-1 ratio. So we're gonna go ahead and mint the B Phantom token now. So once you're here, you're gonna click on first mint token, and this takes you to a different Beefy page. And on here, you get a more detailed view of everything going on under the hood for this vault. And you can see it's a boosted APY, boosted by the Base Finance platform. You can see a breakdown of the Beefy fees. It's only 0.01 withdrawal fee when you're ready to withdraw. And performance fee is 4.5%, but the good thing is the performance fee is already subtracted from the displayed APY. So what you see is what you get with this 63% APY currently. And under the safety score, this gets a 9.0 out of 10. It's a low complexity strategy. Strategy is battle tested, and there's very low to zero impermanent loss. Again, this is a single asset, so there's no way there can be impermanent loss, because for impermanent loss to happen, you need two different tokens into one pool, but this is only one token into one vault. And it can be volatile, but that's normal for crypto. And the platform has been audited. That's awesome. And the project contracts are verified. Great. So on the right hand side, you do have a mint B Phantom section. So here is where we want to first mint some B Phantom tokens. So make sure your wallet is connected. Let's scroll back up here, hit connect wallet, choose MetaMask, and we're in. So let's scroll back down to the mint section. So our available balance is 41.78, and you can always verify on your MetaMask wallet the amount is correct. So the amount we want to mint is 21 Phantom tokens. That's the amount I want to mint. And again, it's a 1-to-1 equal return. Once you deposit Phantom, you'll receive 21 B Phantom. And go ahead and click on Mint B Phantom and verify this transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Confirm. Cool, and the mint is successful. The mint has been successfully executed. You can also view it on the FTM Scan Explorer. Our status is successful, and you can see how quick the transaction was executed. Cool, and if we navigate to the MetaMask wallet and we go under assets and we scroll lower, we do see that now we do have 21 B Phantom tokens and a remaining balance of 20.68 regular Phantom tokens. So now the next step would be to deposit B Phantom tokens into the B Phantom vault. So now that that's minted, we can scroll higher under this deposit window. Let's go ahead and refresh the web page. And from here, hit max. And as you can see, auto-populated 21 available B Phantom tokens, 0% deposit fee, and only a 0.01% withdrawal fee. Again, there are no lockup term limits for this. You can withdraw at any time and deposit all. And go ahead and verify on your MetaMask wallet. And the deposit was confirmed. I've successfully deposited 21 B Phantom token. And so your receipt token is the MooBee FTM token. So what you can do is actually add this to your MetaMask so you can view your available deposit tokens here. So what you would do is navigate back to the FTM Explorer, and under the From section, go ahead and copy this to the clipboard. Go back to MetaMask and scroll lower and hit import tokens, token contract address, paste that in. And as you can see, it auto populates the name of the token, MooBFTM, hit add custom token and hit import tokens. Cool, now we have a grand total of 20.93 MooBFTM. Again, this is your receipt for depositing into this vault. We hit back, and now you see the representation of your shares in that vault, 20.93 MooBFTM. Cool. And now back into this page, you can refresh the web page, and on here on the top right, you do see your deposit and your pending rewards here. And finally, you want to let the rewards reinvest. Beefy Finance is an auto compounding platform, so all rewards paid out are reinvested into the same vault. It's a passive approach. It's an automatic setup. You don't have to do any more work. It automatically auto compounds for you. Amazing. And rewards are paid out daily, so you can view your increasing rewards here. And finally, when you're ready to pull out your funds, you would just simply click on withdraw here and hit max, and you can withdraw all of your coins. So once you withdraw, you are left with B Phantom token, and you're probably wondering, finally, how do I convert the B Phantom back to my original Phantom token? Very easy. So within Beefy, there is no manner of doing a reverse mint. What you would have to do is when you have your B Phantom tokens, you would have to visit another exchange such as Beethoven X. So the website here is beats.fi. And on the homepage, simply click on swap, and under swap, you can connect your wallet and import the B Phantom and finally convert them back to the regular Phantom token. But again, this is the final step of the process if you ever wanted to convert them back to the original Phantom tokens. I personally plan on keeping my B Phantom tokens in here for weeks and letting them auto compound. This is a very attractive APY, and you really can't find this type of single staking rewards anywhere else. Like I mentioned earlier, the native Phantom wallet is only offering 14% APR, and even within Beefy Finance, if we scroll lower, you do see that the regular Phantom staking is only yielding 24% APY. So to use the B Phantom Vault makes a lot more sense. You'll be earning about triple the amount of what this regular vault is offering. So I'm super bullish on the Beefy Finance platform. They have over a dozen other chains you can yield farm in, and their total value lock keeps increasing day by day. They're constantly releasing new vaults, and there's nowhere else where you can get such an attractive yield for single-sided Phantom staking. You can keep up with all the latest Beefy news on Twitter at Beefy Finance, and also all the latest Phantom news on their official Twitter account at Phantom FDN. So let me know what you think about Beefy Finance. Are you a fan? Do you like their platform? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.